Yes, hello. For this third and final part of the video, I go show una the reason why I dey buy these shares and make una also think of buying such company shares so that una go fit use and invest una money. So make I show una wetin I talk about MTN before I go buy the share for Trove. So if we look the price of MTN today, we could see the price now 246.80 kobo, 246 naira 80 kobo. But for the people who buy this share for last 2 years, for 2020, then buy them for 90 naira. You see, these people now, they don't make gain of about 150 naira for one share. So if you buy this share now today, for example, for 244 or 245 naira, if the share can go up next year for like say 300 naira, that means say you don't gain 60 naira for one share where you buy. So for this reason, me I won't buy 10,000 naira on, because me I know say MTN na company will be say it could stay longer for Nigeria and the share price also could still go up. So the next thing I go do now, I go open this Trove app. If I open this Trove app now, I go deposit 10,000 naira put for this app, and now that money now I want use buy my MTN shares. So if I open the Trove app, that one, if you don't register finish, don't finish everything, I go select my NG portfolio. I go come this place. I go tell and say make it fund the portfolio. He go ask me which one I want use. I go tell and say bank transfer, and I go press proceed. Then I go come type the amount where I want. For this place, you fit the minimum where you fit deposit for this place to use buy share now 1,000 naira. But I go see make you put minimum of 2,000, because any share where you buy, then self go collect small commission where they use help you buy the share. So I go put I won't put 10,000. Then if you see now, then say the total amount where I go put for this account now 10,125 naira 94 kobo, because then go take money where they help you put on inside. Then I go press pay. I go come press proceed. After I press this one now, it will show me the account details where I go put, where I go send the money put. Okay, if we see here now, it don't tell me say I go put 10,125.94 kobo. I go send and go Wema Bank for this account number. So what thing I go do is say I go copy this account number. I go for my banking app. I will go send the money. So I don't send the money finish now. I go come from my GTB app. The next thing I go do now, I go come press this one where it say I have made this bank transfer. Okay, after like 2-3 minutes, when GTB send the money to that Wema Bank app, that page where I press, it go change to this green. Then the next thing I go do now, I go press this done. If I don't press that one now, una go see say the money we dey na 55,115. After like 3 minutes now, they go add that 10,000 join this money. Then I go fit on use that 10,000 now buy anything where I want buy for here. So I dey wait now make the money reflect before I go fit buy the MTN share where I talk. So if una see now, that money where I deposit don't reflect. I don't get 65,000 because now 55 I get before. Okay, so since the money don't reflect now, I fit go buy the MTN share so that it go fit, they go fit add inside this my app. We go there. So what I go do is I go click this place where they write explore. If I don't press it, go open here. Then I go up. I go press here. I go type the name of MTN here. I go type MTN. Then I go type another N join them. That means say MTN Nigeria. You go see say go open one where they call MTNN and it show that yellow logo of MTN. I go press them. If I press on now, it go ask me what I want to do, whether I want buy or I want sell. I go tell and say I want buy. Then, if we now look here now, the buying power where I get now 10,351 and one MTN share now 246. So I go just type inside, say I want buy the one of 10,000. Depending on how much you get, if you buy for 2,000, if you buy for 3,000, if you buy a small every month, so that by the time we 1 year go reach, you go don't get plenty. So I go come press this one where they write review cost. So with my 10,000 now, it go give me 40.81 MTN shares. If I dey okay with this amount, I go just, the next thing I go do now, this one where they write swipe to buy, I go just press and go right hand side. If I just press and go right hand side, you go see say it don't change. After it change finish now, it tell me say you have bought 40.65 MTN shares. That means say I don't buy 40.65 MTN share be that. I will just click this one right where they write done. If I click and finish and I go back again and I go check my portfolio, so for my portfolio now I get 48 MTN shares. If they add the 40.6 put now, it go be 4.48. It go be about, make I do calculation, 48.0 plus 40.6. So by the time we go add the new one where I just buy, I go get a total of 88.6 shares or so. So at the wait now when they add and put, it go take like 5 minutes before they add them. So after like 5 minutes, they can add that share, the new one where I just buy. So when I see the amount don't change now to 88. So if you click on the share where you buy now, it will show you for under here. If you scroll go up, the number of share where you get 88. It will show you the current amounts where you buy, where you be. Like if you want to sell them at 21,900. Then for under here, no, if you click this one where they write view history, it will show you all the shares where you get when you buy them and how many it be. So this one are the final video on how to buy MTN shares and any kind of share for this app where they call Trove. So I beg make una use my link where I put for under this YouTube video, and if una use my link, it go carry una go directly to Trove, and from there una go fit buy any Nigerian shares where they get. If una look my own account now, I get different shares of different company here, and this one are all the company where me I like. That's why me I buy them, because I know say them be good Nigerian company where go still get future, and I go still feel make money with these shares if I buy them and keep them for like 5, 10 or 20 years. So thank you very much. Una do well since I watch this video. I know say the video they long small, but I need to do it like this so that una go fit see everything where I do for this video. Una bye bye you.